Topic is types of array in C. In C programming language, arrays are classified into two types. First is single dimensional array or one dimensional array. Second type is multi-dimensional array. Now here we discuss first single dimensional array. In C programming language, single dimensional array are used to store list of values of same data type. In other words, single dimensional array are used to store a row of values. In single dimensional array, data is stored in linear form and also called as one dimensional array, linear array, or simply 1D array. Now, how single dimensional array declare? We use the following general format for declaring a single dimensional array: data type, array name, size, semicolon. Now here data type is any valid type of data in C language such as integer, float, character, etc. Array name is any valid name of identifier in C language, and size is the length of array. For example, integer roll numbers 60. The above declaration of single dimensional array reserve 60 contiguous memory locations of 2 bytes, each with the name roll numbers, and tells the compiler to allow only integer values into those memory locations. Now, how to initialize single dimensional array? We use the following general format for declaring and initializing a single dimensional array with size and initial values. Now the first general format is data type array name size equal to, in opening curly bracket, values 1 comma values 2 comma, there are the number of values we can use, curly bracket close and semicolon. For example, integer roll numbers in bracket 6 equal to, in opening curly bracket, 101 comma 102 comma 103 comma 104 comma 105 comma 106. In this example, declaration of single dimensional array reserve 6 contiguous memory location of 2 bytes, each with the name roll numbers, and initializes with value 101 in first memory location, 102 in second memory location, 103 in third memory location, 104 in fourth memory location, 105 in fifth memory location, and 106 in sixth memory location. We can also use the following general format to initialize a single dimensional array without specifying size and with initial values. The format is data type array name, no size is specified, equal to, in opening curly bracket, value 1 comma value 2 comma up to value n, curly bracket close and semicolon. The array must be initialized if it is created without specifying any size. In this case, the size of the array is decided based on the number of values initialized. For example, integer roll numbers equal to 101 comma 102 comma 103 comma 104 comma 105 comma 106 अप टू, हम कितना भी यहाँ पे साइज स्पेसिफाई कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज वी कैन नॉट स्पेसिफाई द साइज ऑफ एरे. तो हम यहाँ पे कितने भी एलिमेंट्स इस एरे में ले सकते हैं. नाउ इन दिस एग्जांपल द साइज ऑफ एरे रोल नंबर is 6 and the size of array student name is a 16. This is because in case of characters array, compiler stores one extra character called null at the end. Now next is accessing elements of single dimensional array. In C programming language, to access the elements of single dimensional array, we use array name followed by index value of the element that to be accessed. Here the index value must be enclosed in square brackets. Index value of an element in an array is the reference number given to each element at the time of memory location. The index value of single dimensional array starts with 0 for first element and incremented by 1 for each element. The index value in an array is also called as subscript or indices. We use the following general format to access individual elements of single dimensional array. Array name in opening square bracket, index value and close curly bracket. For example, marks 2 equal to 99. In this example, the third element of marks array is assigned with value 99. Now next is multidimensional array. An array of array is called multidimensional array. In simple words, array created with more than one dimension, that is size, is called as multidimensional array. Multidimensional array can be of two-dimensional array or three-dimensional array or four-dimensional array or more. Most popular and commonly used multidimensional array is two-dimensional array. The 2D array are used to store data in the form of table. We also use 2D arrays to create mathematical matrices. Now, how to declare two-dimensional array? We use the following general format for declaring a two-dimensional array. Data type, array name, first opening bracket row size and the second bracket column size and semicolon. Here is the example: integer matrix A, the first square bracket is 2 and the second square bracket is a 3. The first square bracket indicates a row, represent a row, and the second square bracket represent a column. The above declaration two-dimensional array reserves 6 contiguous memory location of 2 bytes, each in the form of 2 rows and 3 columns. Next, initialization of two-dimensional array. We use the following general format for declaring and initializing two-dimensional array with specific number of rows and columns with initial values. Data type, array name, rows, columns equal to, in opening curly bracket, row 1 column 1 value, comma, row 1 column 2 value up to row 2 column 1 कॉमा रो 2 कॉलम 2. ऐसे ही हम बाकी रो और कॉलम यहाँ पे यूज़ करेंगे. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल, इंटीजर मैट्रिक्स ए, फर्स्ट स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में हमने दिया है 2 और सेकंड में दिया है हमने 3. इट मीन्स दैट हम यहाँ पे टोटल 6 एलिमेंट्स स्टोर करेंगे. तो हम इस तरह से पहले फॉर्मेट का यूज़ करके 6 एलिमेंट्स को स्टोर कर सकते हैं. इन द अबव डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ टू डायमेंशनल एरे reserves 6 contiguous memory location of 2 bytes, each in the form of 2 rows and 3 columns, and the first row is initialized with values 1, 2 and 3, and the second row is initialized with values 4, 5 and 6. Now we can also initialize as follows: integer matrix A 2, 3. यानी दूसरे तरीके से भी हम इस एरे में एलिमेंट्स को इनिशियलाइज कर सकते हैं. तो जो सेकंड फॉर्म है वो है कि हमने एक ओपनिंग ब्रैकेट में 1, 2, 3 लिखा है, सेकंड ब्रैकेट में हमने 4, 5, 6 लिखा है. तो पहला जो 1, 2, 3 है वो हमने पहले रो के लिए यूज़ किया है, और सेकंड जो है वो 4, 5, 6 और सेकंड रो के लिए हमने यूज़ किया है. तो ये जो एलिमेंट्स है, ये एलिमेंट्स हमको मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म में यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले हो गए बिकॉज वी यूज़ अ टू डायमेंशनल एरे. नेक्स्ट इज एक्सेसिंग इंडिविजुअल एलिमेंट्स ऑफ टू डायमेंशनल एरे. In C programming language, to access elements of two-dimensional array, we use array name followed by row index value and column index value of the element that to be accessed. Here the row and column index value must be enclosed in separate square braces. In case of two-dimensional array, the compiler assigns separate index values for rows and columns. We use the general format to access the individual elements of two-dimensional array. Array name, row index and column index. For example, integer matrix 0 and 1 equal to 10. Now in this statement, the element with row index 0 and the column index 1 of matrix A array is assigned with value 10.